Follow these following steps to install the CorelDRAW 324 in your in your system. So you open the file, the application folder, so the CorelDRAW folder. So inside this CorelDRAW folder, you open the setup. You extract, right click on it. You can show more option. Extract to this folder. If you're using VR, I use this. Extract to the folder. So it's loading. Depending on this, it depends on the fastness of your system. If it's very fast, the disk is fast. So there's the process. The next thing you do is to also extract this fixed folder. Let's click on it, show more option, extract to the file, so the fixed folder. It's very fast. So the first thing you do now is, next step, you open the CorelDRAW folder. So make sure your Explorer, you open this folder. Make sure that your this thing is switched off. Your security, your antivirus is switched off. You have disabled it. So you just click on this setup. You run as administrator. So, yes. Here's the setup. Depending on how fast your system is, the faster using it. So you scroll this down. So you agree. Then you come to this folder. Go to the same folder outside this folder, outside this CorelDRAW folder. You can just type this 64. Just press on backspace. Press on backspace too. Backspace. So this readme, you open it to get the serial code. So sorry, it's in the fixed folder. This fixed folder. You open this readme first. So you need this serial code. Serial number. Highlight it, then right click and copy, minimize, then come back to your install. That's it. If you wish, you can change the name of your system to the name. So you right click and paste. You can just press Ctrl V or Windows just paste Ctrl V. So you click on next. So typically install. So can you see the requirements? they recommend you using 8 gig for this CorelDRAW application. 8 gig is preferable. So depending on how fast your system is. It's loading. You say installing, please wait. Installing, please wait. Once the application has finished installing, then you have to tap, you have to finish the application. Just tap finish. So the CorelDRAW application will automatically open. So it's because I've already installed it earlier before. And on installing, that's why it's opening. So once it has opened, you come to you right click on your taskbar, or you press Ctrl Shift Tab. So yours might be like this. Then you can press more details. So you close the CorelDRAW. As you can see it, end the task. Once I've ended the task, then you come to Explorer. This reg inside the fixed folder, you have to open it. Yes. Yes, are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Okay, it's 3. So this permittivity, this is cracking. Yeah, by default you're supposed to buy this application, but this is cracking. Because I can't afford to buy it. So once you have copied this, you copy this one, then you right click on this Explorer and open Explorer, find Explorer. So you have to come to this PC. You open this, your local disk, program files, you double click it, then open Corel folder. So you look at permittivity, this PAM utilities, you click on it, PAM's utility. So this V1, double click on it, and scroll down. Can you see that there's permittivity here? So you right click and paste it, more option, or paste on this, it's Ctrl V. So you have to replace file in the destination. So you continue, grant administrative access, continue. So you are through the crack. You can close this, Windows D, and check. Press click and show more option. I hide my desktop icon. So view. So here it is. So this is the CorelDRAW I just installed. So you right click on it and open. So this application is loading. Depending on how fast your system is. So it's now using time, is loading, creating application environment. So here we go. So here it is. Then you open here. This is the home welcome screen. So we'll continue from here. Thanks for watching.